So the next lesson we'll be learning is another important aspect. Suppose if I have 1 by 3 to the power of minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. See, any problem in maths, this will look complicated for some students, but it is not complicated, because mathematics is all about methodical work and sequential work. So always start from basics, start from fundamentals, and then move on, and don't get bogged down when you look at a problem which is big. For all you know, even in life, big problems have very simple solutions. So a very common mistake, what happens is this. Okay, first we will attack these two parts. We see that 1 by 3 to the power of minus m. We know that 1 by a to the power of minus m is nothing but a power m, correct? So this is nothing but 1 to the power of minus 1 by 3 to the power of minus 1. So this will actually invert. The numerator and denominator will reverse with the positive sign. So this will become 3 power 1 minus 4 to the power of 1. Same thing here, whole to the power of minus 1. So here what do you get? 3 minus 4 to the power of minus 1. Now, an important mistake that students generally do is they will write this as 3 power minus 1 minus 4 power minus 1. This is totally wrong. You can do a into b to the power of minus 1 will be a power minus 1 into b power minus 1. Only when you have a multiplication, you can split this exponent among both the numbers. But here you have a negative sign, so you can't do that. You'll have to simplify this. So minus 1 to the power of minus 1. So this will be 3 minus 4 minus 1 to the power of minus 1. This is nothing but, I have told you, whenever a negative number is raised to another odd number, if you want, you can write this as 1 by minus 1 to the power of 1. In case you still don't understand, a to the power of minus m is 1 by a power m. So you write it as minus 1 to the power of 1. The previous video I told you, minus raised to an odd power is minus. So you get minus 1. Okay. So this is an important problem where you have a plus or a minus inside the bracket. So first you simplify what is inside the bracket and then go for the powers. So let's do one more problem of this type. 21 squared minus 15 squared whole to the power of 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Okay. So a squared, and I told you again, you can't write this as 21 squared whole power 4 by 3 minus 15 squared whole power 4 by 3. This is wrong. So first you finish the bracket. What is a squared minus b squared? A plus b. Please use your algebraic identities wherever possible. Don't do 21 into 21, 15 into 15 and waste your time. So this a squared minus b squared, I have not raised this to the power of 4 by 3. I have to do that. So now what is this? 21 plus 15 is 36 into 6 whole to the power of 4 by 3. Correct? Now what is 36? 36 is 6 squared into 6 whole to the power of 4 by 3. See, why am I writing 36? I can always multiply 36 into 6. But I see that I have a 4 by 3 here. So whenever you have a fractional root, always try to express this base as a power of 3 so that 3 gets cancelled. That most of the problems will be in such a way that this denominator has to get cancelled. So you have to work on expressing this as a power of 3. So this is nothing but 6 cube to the power of 4 by 3. 3 by 1 into 4 by 3. 3 goes, so you get 6 to the power of 4. So you see, I did not write this like this. So first I simplify the what is there inside the bracket. That is when I have a plus or a minus inside the bracket, and then I apply the rules of the exponents. So step by step, methodical way, we can solve any problem without any difficulty. So math is easy, it's only in the mind.